In this crypto video, we will talk about Titano Finance. If you want to buy Titano, you can buy it from PancakeSwap to SWYCH, and you can see here the pair also. If you want to buy from SWYCH, you can need an account in SWYCH with a pair of Titano / USDT. Currently, the market rank is 5296, which can go to 5290 in the near future. Here we will talk about the current price status also, but before that, let me inform you that I have provided my Telegram channel link in description box. And one more thing, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get a latest update related to Titano Finance. One more thing, we will talk about the current price chart related to Titano Finance, but before that, please subscribe my channel and join my Telegram channel. So currently the price of Titano Finance is $0.002041, and in 24 hours this coin has gone down to 6.41%, and trading volume is also down with 15.61%. So if you want to buy this crypto, you can, but before investment, do a proper crypto market research, because crypto market is highly volatile. When crypto will go up and when crypto will go down, no one can say exactly. So this is the video related to Titano Finance. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. If you want to watch more video related to Titano Finance crypto, Titano coin crypto, according to some expert, in near future this coin can get listed in Robinhood or in Binance. And I have shown you to start in CMC. Before investment, do a proper crypto market research.